a happy birthday hi to everybody on this earth that has a birthday on June 14th, 1960. Well, today I'm 59 years old. Getting up there a little too old to be filming these, but I bought a GoPro just to film today, a special day. On my birthday, so I've seen the pyramids of Giza, got to see the world's largest waterfall in Venezuela, skydived on my birthday, scuba dived on my birthday, just done everything. I wish I had a GoPro many years ago to film my one-of-a-kind days that everybody has once on this earth. I want to talk about myself. 59 years old. I broke my hip. There's a big scar right here. Wish you guys could see it. But, broke my hip. I have a stainless steel going through here. 4 bolts holding my leg up. Then my leg's shattered right here. I got 12 screws all the way up my leg to hold my leg together. Yep, pretty well. My leg filled up, and it's crooked. Doctors say if I break my leg again, they'll have to amputate it up here. So people with a disability and say, yeah, look at my sorry, poor looking body. You guys got a scar down here, holes, tubes, where tubes went in my body at one time to every organ in my body. I broke my arm a couple times, my wrist once. So today what I'm going to be doing is really dangerous. But I think skydiving, suit diving, in a suit, wingsuit, I think that's the most death-defying stunt anybody can strap a GoPro to. But it's my birthday today, so I'm gonna film something that I probably won't be able to do again. This will probably be my last day on earth that I'm going to be able to enjoy what I really enjoyed the most. So my destination is that little town right there, Carpagana. And there's one thing I want to say. Like tonight, I'm going to be going out there and night diving tonight, so I'll put it on this video. Well, I guess my birthday puff is almost coming to an end. Now, everybody that's ever done a GoPro before, video, bicycles, airplanes, horses, none of you get to really experience the rush and to really put out a true hardcore test on a GoPro and see how good it really works. But this is how we'll test out GoPro. Whoa! I can't do it yet. Gotta stretch first. Oh yeah, there's my stretch. This is crazy to do this. I guess I'm being filmed. Here we go. Enjoy this. Ah. Whew. 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 Trust me. Six stairs. Wow. Bueno, amigo.
Hola, amigo.
¿Cómo estás? Qué bueno. Wow, I jumped 6 stairs. First time. When you're a marijuana smoker, Oh, it's hard on you. Here we go. Oh, it's dangerous here. Whoa. Yes, it's dangerous. A GoPro makes you want to become young again. Well, my birthday got rained out. There's no way I can run. Not today. Ouch! 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 Like I got bit. Ouch! Ouch! Ow! 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 Yeah! Fire ants. Boy, it hurts. with a GoPro, you want to become young again.